Good morning, y'all. This is Tamara from Fresh and Fire. I just had to show you this big mama jamma, my big babies. This is the plant everybody's been talking about, the Thai Roselle. Sometimes I end up calling it Roselle because of the E on the end, but Jamaican Sorrel, Hibiscus, whatever you want to call it. This is what everybody's talking about. This is how big they get, so be ready. I love them though. I love the foliage. I love the red stems. And I wanted to come out this morning so I could capture the blossoms that form. You have to catch them in the morning, because by the end of the day, they've all drawn up and started forming their calyxes. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. They're so pretty. And the calyxes are what you make the tea out of. So probably in another month or two, these plants are going to be covered in them. So I love it. I planted them a little bit too deep, but that was good because in the end, we had a lot of storms pass through, and in the end, it kept them from getting blown down. So it worked out for the best. But I have them in a little tiny bed, but they all started out from seed. And this is how big they get. So if you didn't get any this in the ground this year, definitely get some next year. I mean, I can't even walk down my walkway between the balsams and the hibiscus, just kind of covering everything. But I don't mind it. I love them. They're awesome plants to have. Oh, there's a honeybee in one of the blossoms. But yeah, the bees love them. I've even seen the hummingbirds swoop over here. But yeah, if you haven't gotten any in the ground this year, definitely get some in the ground next year. I planted these in the spring, and just let them grow. They start to form blossoms and get this big and form the calyxes and everything when the days start to get shorter and it starts to get into fall and winter time. So they just took off. So this is what you have to look forward to, and look into the benefits of drinking Roselle. It's great for your blood pressure, all kind of stuff. So definitely check them out. And beside that bed, I have some more. Let's see if I can get you to see in the back. I have some more Roselle in the back. And beside it, I planted this bed later, so I'm not sure if they're going to make it before it gets too cold and the frost hits. But this is another type of Roselle. It's called, or hibiscus. It's called cranberry hibiscus. Now these will put out little pink blossoms as well, but you eat this more so for the leaves. It has some, health benefits as well. So definitely check it out. But I love the red foliage. I wish I would have been able to get some in there. I just kind of threw this in the ground, and then some house construction happened, and so I had to wait to redo the other beds and everything, or fill the other beds, I should say. But so this got a later start. But I threw these in here with my Gumfrina, and see if I can back up a sunflower and some lemon verbena and Cosmo that came back because it got cooler. But yeah. So definitely check them out if you haven't checked out Roselle this year or put any in the ground. Definitely put them in the ground, get a cutting for somebody, or get some seeds and plant them for next year. And they're a beautiful plant to have in your garden, and the bees and the hummingbirds will love them, and you'll love them too. For more tips and tricks, check us out on Fresh and Fire Backyard Living.